IUCN members formally adopted a definition for nature-based solutions, which they defined as actions to protect, sustainably manage, and restore natural or modified ecosystems that address societal challenges. And by societal challenges, it could mean climate change as a societal challenge, but equally, it could also mean health or food and water insecurity or economic development. Now, of course, when we talk about nature-based solutions and climate change, the way we approach nature-based solutions is by recognizing the contribution that healthy ecosystems and their conservation, restoration, and sustainable management, be it forests or wetlands or drylands or peatlands, can contribute not only in terms of carbon storage and sequestration, so not only for the mitigation part of the climate challenge, but also for adaptation and disaster risk reduction. And when we talk of nature-based solutions, it's something that is based on ecosystems. So it's ecosystem-centric. IUCN, in collaboration with several other partners this year, adopted a set of 4 principles under which were called the Together for Nature principles. And these 4 principles, in a sense, took us one step further from the definition. And these 4 principles in the climate context were signaling that, yes, nature-based solutions can provide an important solution to the climate challenge, but they have to be in the context of principle 1, cutting emissions. Principle 2, they have to conserve and protect existing ecosystems. Principle 3, they have to be socially responsible. And principle 4, they have to be ecologically responsible. While we recognize that nature-based solutions is still an evolving concept, what we try to do is provide the guardrails through the 4 principles that I shared and also the standard. And the important part of one of the principles, I think, as was acknowledged by the other panelists, that nature-based solutions or carbon dioxide removal shouldn't be seen as a substitute for reducing emissions from the fossil fuel-based sectors. It should be seen as something that is in addition to the emission reduction efforts that need to be taken across all sectors.